Today I'm moving to Shizuoka, about 170 kilometers from Nagoya. The target at Shizuoka is sushi and the local food oden. The temperature is 16 and the weather is very nice. Now I'm visiting a Toyota museum. This Toyota City is the city where the Toyota car brand office located. Toyota. Now I'm driving Toyota City, and this is the real Toyota town. Now I'm heading to Shizuoka City. It's about 100 kilometers from Toyota City. It's getting dark, but still 80 kilometers to go. Now I'm driving on a bridge, the Lake Hamanako, but it's already dark, so we can't see anything. Sushi restaurant. Kilometers to go. Arriving in Shizuoka City, today's day 2 driving is ending. Oden restaurant.